Assorted meat pepper soup. Assorted meat pepper soup. Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare assorted meat pepper soup at home. Everything I use will be in the description and on the screen so that I can know each and every ingredient I use for this delicious assorted meat pepper soup. I hope everybody is fine. Thank you for tuning in to this channel once again. Everything I use will be in the description box, as I said earlier. But in the blender, I have onions. I have pepper, roasted pepper that I preserved. The roasted pepper is a mixture of pepper of different types and a little bit of tomato. I don't add garlic while doing this assorted pepper, because I might want to use a pepper mixture for something else that does not require garlic and ginger. So this blended stuff is the only water you'll be using for this meat. Though you can add water later, but right now this is the only water you need to cook this meat. And the meat I'm using in this pot is assorted meat, as I said earlier. I have the towel, the intestine, the heart of the cow, the stomach, throat, and so on. So I'll be adding my seasons. This is pepper soup spice. I prepared the pepper soup spice myself. I have a video of how to make your own pepper soup spice on this channel. I'm going to link the pepper soup spice recipe in the description of this video. Mix everything you want to use in cooking it, and that's it. I cooked this meat for the first 20 minutes before checking on it, and I added water. Though the water in it was okay, but I just added few drops because this meat has pomo in it. So pomo has the tendency of absorbing water, like when you are cooking it. The pomo is this thick part that comes from the head region. So it was the first thing I added to the pot. This is scent leaf, also called intestines. Very, very good for your pepper soup. Was tender to my choice, so I'll be adding some scent leaf. The purpose of this scent leaf is to cook down into the pepper soup to give it a unique flavor. I'll be adding more scent leaf later for a pop of color, but this scent leaf I added now will be cooked with the pepper soup for 5 minutes before adding more pepper soup spice. Remember, as I said earlier, the spice recipe will be in the description. I will leave a link of how you prepare your pepper soup spice. Making your own spice will be the best thing you ever learned, because it makes your spice unique and more potent. I added more pepper, that's a Cameroon pepper, to give more kick and flavor to the pepper soup. You can pair your pepper soup with any food of choice. I paired mine with yam. You can pair it with pasta, rice, bread, agidi, and so on. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you learned something from it. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share my video, leave a comment, especially if you have something you want to ask me. I'll be willing to shed more light or answer your question. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.